Hey guys, this is Enewerome, my content queen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be teaching you how you can send money abroad and receive money from abroad at black market rates straight to your bank account. So if you're a freelancer or a business owner, or you have family members or friends abroad who want to send you money, this is the perfect video for you. I hope that you like my video, you watch this video to the end, you share with your friends who are business owners or anyone you know who might need this video, and that you also subscribe to my channel. So log into send.flutterwave.com, fix in your email address, and then you'll be sent the login link to your email, which will use to access the login page. Once you click on the link in your email, you'll be redirected to this sign up page where you fill in your personal details. So if anyone is sending you money from outside the country, you can share this link with them so that they will learn how to send you money using Send by Flutterwave. After filling your personal details, next you want to fix in the amount you want to send to whoever you want to send money to. So you can send the money in GBP, Great Britain pounds, or you can send it in dollars or any of these currencies that are listed here. So you just choose the one you want. So for instance, I want to send money from my domiciliary account in Nigeria. That's why I clicked Nigerian USD, and then I fix in the amount I want to send. So whatever amount you want to transfer to anybody, you are charged only 1 unit of that amount. So if I'm sending $100 from my Nigerian domiciliary account to someone in Canada, I'll be charged just $1. If someone in US is sending me let's say $1,200, they'll be charged $1 for that transaction. And if I'm sending, for instance, 60,000 naira to someone in Nigeria with another bank, because you can do interbank transfer with this, then I'll also be charged just 1 naira. So instead of the regular 10 naira or 25 naira that you are charged for interbank transfers in Nigeria, you are charged just 1 naira regardless of how much you want to send. So the next thing to do is to put in the recipient's details, all their details. Let them send you the details. If the person is in Nigeria and want to receive money straight in their domiciliary account, let them send you their domiciliary account number. If they want to receive the money in their Naira account, let them send you their Naira account number, and they'll get the money at black market rate, at the current black market rate. As you can see here, you fill in all the details. You'll be asked why you are sending the money. Make sure that all the details are correct, and make sure that the account number that they are asking for rhymes with any means of identification or whatever. Let all their details be correct, because you don't want to send money to the wrong person. Now for you, the person sending, you need to have your KYC document, which is your know your customer document, which could be your passport, it could be your driver's license, it could be anything. So make sure you have those documents handy, because they will request for you to make sure it is not a fraudulent transaction. Now the way you can pay money is by using any of these debit cards, a Visa, MasterCard, American Express card, any of the cards here. So you fill in your details, and that is all you need to send money to someone abroad. So if you are outside the country, in any African country, you can send money to other African countries. And if you are in Africa and you do business with people abroad, they can also send you money. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you other platforms that you can use to receive money from abroad, just in case you don't want to use this one. This is not the only platform you can use, and I'll be sharing the rest with you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.